We are here, Wolf Creek Falls. First time ever here, getting ready to go hike this bad boy. Good morning. It was really warm today. First warm day of the hike, the first warm hike of the year for us. Outback Wilderness got us here safe. Here we go, going across the bridge. And to couple guys from Texas here to hike to the falls. Huh? Father, son, probably. Cool looking rock.
Yeah.
All right. Looks like it's gonna be a good one. See you on up the trail. Boy, it's really thick in here. That person fishing down there in the river?
I didn't see anybody fishing, no.
Was that just a person that waved to us?
Yeah.
Or was they just down there?
Yeah.
Cool in here, huh? It's really thick in here. This is probably one of our thickest trails we've been on.
Nice up here.
Yeah, nice and shaded. It is really warm. Like I had to dump water on my head a few minutes ago because I was already so warm and we hadn't even started walking yet. Nasty blow down in here. Look at that rock. Holy cow. Look at that rock up there. That is a big boulder. Huh?
Great footsteps.
Big trees. I believe from the information that I've done around about this place is about 2.5 mile trail with about 206 feet of elevation gain. I believe it says it takes most people about an hour to hike it. So we've been on the trail for how long now, you think?
5 minutes?
Okay, 10:28. So we'll see how long it takes us till we get back. And we're slow. We just enjoy it. Definitely found where some of the elevation is. Very beautiful. Wolf Creek Falls Trail. Definitely need to put that on your list if you haven't already. It's very cool. Butterflies. The scenery and the surroundings are absolutely majestic. All right, we're back. We are back. We just had to take a little break right here. There is some steep elevation. You just heading up further. Ran into another couple. We are making it, man. One step at a time. It is beautiful and lush right in here. Wolf Creek Falls, we're coming. Catch you there. We have arrived. There is a massive 2-tier waterfall. I want to try and get down there, get to a better viewing spot, but right now there's some other people down there, the father and son from Texas. So we're gonna go up to this viewpoint over here and see if we can get some cool shots. Oh, that's cool right there. Wolf Creek Falls. This is what we do this for. All the pain, the elevation gain. This is what we do it for. Right here. Look at that beautiful waterfall. Down we go. that's slick. Up and over. And there we are. Yeah, buddy. Wolf Creek site, Wolf Creek Falls. Quite the spectacle. Beautiful. It is so cool how the water comes down. All right, now back up so I can do it without falling. Oh, that's slick. Okay. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Like Spider-Man. All right, here we go. Back up the stairs. Run them. Yeah, baby. Woo! Yeah, that was killer. Okay, one last look. Wolf Creek Falls. And we're heading back now. Gonna had a little snack, got down by the water, cooled off with some water on the head, and now we just gotta walk on back. And then it'll be time to go get the celebratory after hike reward lunch. Don't know what that's gonna be today,
Right?
but it's gonna be good. I figured I'd switch over and give you the first person view with my chest mount. We will catch you back here on the trail in a little bit. We're gonna try and get some distance and get some make up some time later. So I lied. We're not done yet. I'm gonna take this steep trail down and get some of the lower falls. Jess is gonna wait for me here. I dropped my pack and I'm heading down. And it is sketchy. I know the camera's not gonna do this justice, but I'm like crab walking. I'm like lean back halfway. Whew. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. This is how we do it. This is why we do it. No pain, no gain, right? Nothing worth doing is ever easy in life. All right, we're getting these views, we're chasing these views, chasing adventure across Oregon. Look at this beautiful pool. Oh my goodness, how amazing. All right, I'm going over there. Let's see. When I get over here. Whew. Power of the water. How amazing. Back on up. See how this goes. How'd I come down? Came down right through here. All right, back up. go. Oh yeah, push it to the limit. Don't ever give up. Oh, that view was worth every bit of this climb back up. All right, okay. Catch my breath, and then we're getting on down out of here. Absolutely stunning. Whew, I'm warm. I'll catch you in a bit. To the car, Wolf Creek Falls Trail. One word of advice, one warning, that there it is pretty steep, but one nice little section there will give you a workout. Uphill on the way there, downhill on the way back. Other than that, the trail is actually pretty nice, really nice through here. Jess is doing great. Got some muddy sections coming up. All right, thanks for joining us on our hike to Wolf Creek Falls. If you like this video, give us a like. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel for more adventures. We'll be posting new adventures every week throughout the course of summer. So peace out. We'll see you next time.